In this video, you'll learn how to use Claude Code safely while developing projects. By following these steps, you will minimize risks associated with coding and ensure that your sensitive information remains protected throughout the process. The first step in using Claude Code safely is to keep sensitive data out of your prompts. It is crucial that you never paste passwords, API keys, or secret tokens directly into the prompts. Instead, if you need to test API calls, utilize environment variables. For instance, in your env file, you can define your API key like this: API underscore key equals sign your underscore API underscore key underscore here. In your Node.js application, you can access this key by using the code const API key equals process.env API underscore key. This approach helps Claude generate code using variables rather than exposing your real secrets. Next, review all suggestions provided by Claude carefully before copying them into your project. It is essential to look out for any unnecessary eval calls, hard-coded passwords or credentials, deprecated libraries and logic that could potentially overwrite important data. This step is vital for maintaining the security and integrity of your codebase. After reviewing the suggestions, test the generated code in a safe environment. Create a sandbox folder specifically for testing by executing the command metcard test underscore sandbox in your terminal. Running Claude generated code in this isolated area prevents any disruptions to your main project if something goes wrong, allowing for safer experimentation. Always utilize version control when working with Claude Code. Integrating Git with your development environment, such as Visual Studio Code, is a best practice. Start by initializing a Git repository with Git init, then add your files with Git add, and commit your changes with Git commit-m initial commit. This way, if Claude generates problematic code, you can easily roll back to a previous stable version without losing significant work. Limit the scope of your requests to Claude by avoiding asking it to refactor large files in a single prompt. Instead, break down tasks into smaller, manageable at a time. This practice reduces the risk of introducing errors or bad coding patterns, making it easier to maintain the quality of your code. When Claude suggests new libraries, always verify their reliability before integrating them into your project. Use the command then info followed by the package name to gather information about the library. Ensure that it is official, well-maintained and secure, as using untrusted packages can pose significant security risks to your project. Lastly, always test the generated code locally before deploying it to production. If possible, implement automated tests to ensure functionality and safety. You can install Jest by running npm install Jest and execute your tests with npx Jest. This final step is crucial to ensure your project remains safe and functions as expected in a live environment.